Welcome to Healthy Meal Prep 101, quick and easy recipes for weight loss. Are you ready to explore the fascinating universe, scrumptious, health-filled food? A realm where the principles of diet and meal planning lay the foundation for enduring weight management? Domain where the food you relish doesn't merely appease your taste buds, but also nurtures your body's needs? Let's prepare to set sail on a gastronomic voyage, specifically tailored to assist you in shedding unwanted weight. Here, we cherish the harmony between taste and health, crafting meals that are not only delicious but also supportive of your wellness goals. We believe in the power of food, in its capability to heal, energize, and transform. So, gear up for this enticing expedition into the world of balanced, nutritious cooking. Stay tuned for some quick and easy recipes that can help you on your weight loss journey. Our first recipe is a classic: overnight oats. This wholesome, delightful breakfast dish is as simple as it is delicious, filled with a range of health benefits that will keep you energized throughout the day. The beauty lies in its sheer simplicity coupled with a powerful punch of nutrients. Now, let's explore how we can whip up this scrumptious meal, starting with the ingredients. The essentials include oats, milk, yogurt, and a variety of fruits, nuts, and seeds of your choice. Oats are the primary ingredient, providing a generous source of fiber and a slow release of energy that ensures you'll stay full until lunch. As for the cooking process, begin by pouring the oats into a jar. Aim for approximately half a cup of oats for a single serving. Afterward, add your preferred milk. It could be almond milk, soy milk, or traditional cow's milk. The goal is to maintain a balanced ratio of oats to milk. Once your oats and milk are combined, stir in some yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent choice as it's high in protein content and enriches your oats with a creamy texture. You'll need about 1/4 A for each serving. Now on to the exciting bit: the toppings. Here's where you can allow your creativity to shine. Infuse a blend of fruits to add a pop of flavor and a healthy dose of vitamins. Berries, bananas, and peaches are all excellent choices. For that satisfying crunch, add some nuts or seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, or flax seeds are all amazing options. Once you've layered your toppings, simply seal the jar and refrigerate it overnight. During this period, the oats will absorb the milk and yogurt, achieving a soft, creamy consistency by dawn. These overnight oats are not just a scrumptious breakfast option, they are a nutrient powerhouse, combining the fiber from oats, the protein from yogurt, and the vitamins from fruits to form a balanced, hearty meal. This meal is perfect for anyone aiming to maintain a wholesome, healthy diet. And there you have it, a simple and nutritious breakfast to kickstart your day. Scene script. Next up, we have a protein-packed grilled chicken salad. To begin, gather these ingredients: a chicken breast, a mix of your preferred salad greens, ripe tomatoes, fresh cucumbers, olive oil, and fresh lemon juice. Now, let's into the cooking process. First, season the chicken breast with your favorite spices. You can experiment with different flavors like smoky paprika. Once spiced, grill the chicken until it's fully cooked. Achieve a crispy exterior and tender interior by grilling it just right. While the chicken is cooking, prepare the salad. Mix your salad greens, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Feel free to add extra crunch with radishes or bell peppers. Once the chicken is done, let it rest before slicing it. This step ensures it remains moist and flavorful. Place the sliced chicken atop your salad. Next, it's time to dress the salad. Blend olive oil and lemon juice together. The oil brings a rich texture while the lemon offers a burst of freshness. The combination creates a pleasing balance of flavors. This particular grilled chicken salad is a nutrient powerhouse. The chicken delivers high-quality protein, the salad greens come packed with vitamins and minerals, while the olive oil contributes heart-healthy fats. This dish exemplifies how nutritious food can also be tasty. It's about using fresh ingredients and merging flavors in a manner that delights the taste buds while nourishing the body. Voila, a delicious and healthy lunch or dinner option ready in no time. Our final recipe for today is a versatile quinoa stir-fry. To begin with, have to gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll primarily need some cooked quinoa, an assortment of your beloved mixed vegetables, just a hint of soy sauce, not too many, but just a couple of cloves of garlic and a small pinch of ginger. The strength of this recipe lies in its adaptability. You can incorporate any vegetables you currently have. The more vibrant, the more appetizing. Now, we embark on our cooking journey. Initiate by heating a splash of oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Introduce your minced garlic and grated ginger to the heated oil, stirring them around until their essence wafts through the air. This is the signal that the magic has commenced. Subsequently, you add your selection of mixed vegetables to the mix, stir them thoroughly, and leave them to cook until they achieve a state of tenderness, while still retaining a slight crispness. This delicate balance will lend an extra texture nuance to your stir-fry. As your vegetables approach their perfect state of cooked crispness, it's time to introduce your cooked quinoa to the party. Incorporate it into the mix, ensuring all components are uniformly distributed. Now comes the time to add your soy sauce. Mix everything vigorously until the quinoa and vegetables are glistening in the umami-packed soy sauce. Let this concoction cook for another minute or two and, voila, your quinoa stir-fry is ready to serve. Now let's delve into why this meal is a veritable powerhouse of rich nutrition. Quinoa, a unique plant, provides all 9 essential amino acids, thus marking it as a complete protein. It's also a high-fiber source, which aids in digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. The mixed vegetables contribute not just vibrant hues and exciting flavors to the dish, but are also a treasure trove of various vitamins and minerals crucial for your overall health. This quinoa stir-fry isn't just a healthful meal, it's about savoring a dish that's simultaneously satisfying and adaptable. You can alternate the veggies, incorporate a protein of your preference, or even add a dash of hot sauce for some heat. The choices are infinite. There you go, a filling and nutritious meal that can be customized to your liking. Now let's go over some general meal prep tips. The first and most significant pointer is to plan ahead. Don't take the plunge without a clear strategy. Establish which meals you're prepping for the week, list down the needed ingredients, and allot sufficient time for preparation and cooking. This organized approach prevents last-minute scrambling and provides a smooth, efficient meal prep process. Another critical is the investment in appropriate storage containers. This might seem inconsequential, but it is indeed a game changer. Opt for containers that are microwave and dishwasher safe, BPA-free. Having a variety of sizes is advantageous for portion control and ingredient segregation. The cleverly designed dividers keep your food items separate, fresh, and appetizing. A further smart tactic is to prep ingredients in large quantities. For instance, while chopping veggies for a salad, why not chop extra for the next day's stir-fry? If you're roasting chicken, make a little more than required and utilize the leftovers for another meal. This approach not only is a time saver but also ensures readily available healthy ingredients. Storage plays an integral role in meal prepping. Correct storage extends meal longevity and enhances taste. It's crucial to let your food cool before storing it to avoid unpleasant sogginess due to condensation. Meals to be consumed within the next 3 days should be refrigerated. For later consumption, the freezer is your go-to. Also, do not underestimate the power of variety. Consuming identical meals every day can lead to monotony. So, venture into new recipes, play with different spices, and consistently excite your taste buds. The saying, "Variety is the spice of life," holds for meal prep as well. With these tips, meal prepping can become a seamless part of your routine. And that wraps up our Healthy Meal Prep 101. We've explored various quick recipes, all brimming with nutrients to fuel your wellness journey. Let's quickly reminisce. We began with overnight oats, a straightforward and tasty breakfast that you can make ahead. Next, the grilled chicken salad took center stage, a lunch favorite that's both gratifying and nutritious. Finally, we relished the quinoa stir-fry, a versatile and healthy dinner option. But remember, it's then just recipes. It's about fostering the meal prep habit. By planning your meals in advance, you're setting yourself up for success. This practice simplifies healthy eating, aiding you in sticking to your fitness goals. We've also shared some practical meal prep pointers that can make your kitchen endeavors easier and more effective. From proper meal storage to selecting the right ingredients, these tips aim to facilitate your healthier eating journey. Now it's time to implement these recipes and tips. Experiment, adapt, make them your own. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment about your favorite recipe from today's video. Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking.